Hi and welcome back. As usual, if you like what I do, do subscribe and check the box below for gear and random details. However, we are in G, and this solo starts with a couple of major minor double stop six, like this. Ending up on the A up there for a reason. You've got your G major, your A minor, your B minor, and you're flicking the tail there, the C, at the 8th fret. Okay, after that you're going to hear this. We are now playing double stops on adjacent strings. We're playing the 10 and the 12 and the 13 over here, and finally the 6 and the 8. That is then repeated. Followed by a single string run, starting at the G. Ending up on the B. Okay, one more time slowly. Then a few more of those double stops. Ending up on the C and the A. Now we move back into the 6. Now note that we're only playing the A minor and the B minor there with a bit of a C. Ending up on the A minor. And the reason why I'm playing it with a single finger rather than like that is because this leaves me in position to get over here for the next bit of the solo, which is okay. At this stage we need to start thinking of the G major pentatonic scale. It's the sliding version Robbie uses a lot. That one. In this case, we are starting from the E over here on the A string. You got that? You've got that slide there from the A. Nothing outside of the scale there, which is the remarkable thing about Robbie. He's always in that major scale. Then this. Slowly. Ending up on the G, starting from the E. Push the A. Now do it again, but play it against the D. Isn't that lovely? Note what I'm doing as I release. Hitting the E there. Sorry. Double stop slide from the 10 to the 12. push the A. Okay, push the A, end up on the G. Then this. Ending up on the E. Note the muted rake. The next bit, we're moving back into the double stop 6. Okay, now we're not using any of the 6 that we didn't use down here. First go around. Starting at the G, up to the A minor. B. Now notice, as well as hitting them at the same time, there's also a bit of okay. So where were we? Ending up there on the G, and the last phrase really is this. Okay, that's a hit of the D, couple on the E. That's 2 pushes of the A, finishing with a slide from the E. Then this. Sliding into the B, played against the D here. Ending up on the G, and then this. B minor, A minor, G. Okay, and now let's move on to the outro solo. The first phrase is this. Okay, that's a G major double stop 6 here. Slide into it. Then the 7th fret here on the G, and the 6 here on the B. Okay, at this point, sliding from the 7 on the G, then release, ending up on the D there. Slowly. Okay, that's followed by this. Okay, that starts with a wiggle on the 7 on the D. Playing it against the 7 on the G. Ending up with a big fat C there. Okay, one more time slowly. And then this. Okay, lovely little doubling back riff. It's watch what I do here. Starting with a slide from the 7 to the 9 on the D, and then 7 to the 9 repeated on the G. Ending up on the D9. That doubling back on the lick is one of the ways that Robbie creates a sense of tension in his solos. Very nice. And then the final bit is this. Okay, ending up with the G. A couple of ways you can play this. You can wiggle it here on the 7. Or you can play it like this. Or you can mix them. Or even this. Throw in the 6 instead, which would be a very Robbie way to end the solo. Okay? Anyway, A lovely bit of mood in that final outro solo. Have fun with that, and I'll see you soon.